I think I have stumbled across the Myers effect. It's just in solid state right now, but I would like to show. First, a little explanation. This is just a 555 circuit. It's an astable setup, so it's making square waves. These are variable resistors of 100,000. They're for any fine tuning. And this is the timing capacitor. It's 0.001 microfarads. You can make it bigger for slower frequencies, smaller for higher frequencies. And then it pulses on the output. We've limited the output to about 160 milliamps. Pulses this transistor. The transistor then is limited to about another 180 milliamps, and we have I'm trying something out. That's just a capacitor. Doesn't seem to do too much right now, but it just gives out a square wave, and we'll take some measurements. So first, we'll check out frequencies. So we'll hook the power on. Okay. And the minus is right here. Frequency output is right now about 1.3 kilohertz. It fluctuates because it's pretty fast, but yeah, 1.3 kilohertz. Okay, so now this is the minus. This is the connection, the junction to the transistor, and it's going to pulse the primary of this ungrounded transformer, which I have rectified. And here's a little diagram. I left the AC. We can couple in alternating current if we want, minus and plus. So here's we're going to take a voltage test. So in the 200 range, and then let me tape this on real quick. Okay, now hook this up. Okay. So you see 68.4 volts. And if I were to touch this one, it would ground those out pretty fast, down to about 0.79. Yeah, but not as high as it was. Alright, and then now if I do any amp, let's see, we set it to amperage, 10 amps just to be careful. Register, and then here I'm on the plus. The minus is taped on. So 0, we turn it down. Oops, too far. Nothing. So, yep. Next, I will show you the Myers effect with an analog. This is a bipolar electrolytic, or not bipolar, it's a polar electrolytic capacitor, meaning you have to hook up the plus and minus. And if you watch from my other videos, that's where I'm headed in water fuel cell design. I'm coating the cathode with carbon mixture, and it seems to be a bipolar, or not a polar capacitor, also known as a battery. But yeah, let me hook that up and I'll show you in my next vid.